Deep within our planet, there are places untouched by sunlight, realms of profound silence and darkness. Here, time moves differently and secrets are kept for eons. In one such place, two creatures from a forgotten ocean have rested in stone for over 300 million years, long before the first dinosaurs. Their world vanished, replaced by rock and shadow, but their story waited for discovery. Imagine an immense cavern beneath Vietnam, so vast it contains its own jungle and weather. Explorers in this subterranean kingdom found something extraordinary, the shapes of giant marine animals high on a cavern wall, far from any sea. These were monsters from the deep past, locked in limestone. Their discovery was a whisper from a time when our planet was unrecognizable. The silence of the cave was finally broken by the story these fossils had to tell. Cavers and scientists descended into the earth, searching for geological answers, not expecting to find prehistoric life of this magnitude. The fossils were a complete surprise, a puzzle that defied explanation. How could sea creatures end up here, inside a mountain, in the middle of a continent? The answers would change our view of the ancient world forever. This is more than just a tale of old bones. It's a reminder that our planet still holds profound mysteries. Beneath our feet lie undiscovered countries. The fossils of these ancient sea monsters are ambassadors from a lost time. They speak of a dynamic, ever-changing Earth. Even in the deepest darkness, life leaves its mark, and they invite us to keep searching for the secrets hidden in stone. The discovery was made in Hang Son Doong, the largest known cave passage in the world, hidden in Vietnam's Phong Nha, Ke Bang National Park. Its main chamber is over 5 kilometers long, 200 meters high, and 150 meters wide. A skyscraper could fit inside. This subterranean landscape is a true wonder, with its own jungle, wildlife, and even clouds. Sunlight pours in through 2 enormous sinkholes, giving birth to a lush green forest hundreds of meters underground. The cave's fast-flowing river and unique weather make it a self-contained world, isolated for millennia. Exploring Hang Son Doong is like stepping onto another planet. The journey requires trekking through jungle, crossing rivers, and abseiling 80 meters into darkness. Explorers here are pioneers, navigating giant chambers adorned with towering stalagmites and shimmering cave pearls. It was within this breathtaking landscape that geologists and paleontologists made their groundbreaking find. Hang Son Doong is a testament to the power of water and time. Over millions of years, a river carved these vast underground halls. The cave is a living geological laboratory, constantly evolving. This slow process not only formed the cave but also preserved the secrets of an ancient sea. The cave is not just a backdrop, it's the silent guardian of these prehistoric titans. Here, the past and present collide in stone. The fossils found in Hang Son Doong's limestone walls belong to species entirely new to science. Scientists identified 2 distinct creatures, formidable predators from the Carboniferous over 300 million years ago. These were not dinosaurs but apex predators ruling a shallow sea that once covered this region. The first, Serpentosuchus, the serpent crocodile, had a long, snake-like body and a head filled with sharp teeth. The second, Gigantopterus, or giant fin, boasted enormous, wing-like pectoral fins. Finding their remains together suggests a rich, dynamic ecosystem, where these giants may have interacted as hunter and hunted. The Carboniferous was a time of vast swampy forests, giant insects, and diverse marine life. Serpentosuchus and Gigantopterus were part of a complex food web in a tropical sea teeming with life. Their discovery helps us piece together the puzzle of ancient marine ecosystems. 2 large, unknown predators in one place is exceptionally rare, hinting at an incredibly rich ancient ocean. These fossils are key evidence that our understanding of Carboniferous marine life is far from complete. The limestone walls of Hang Son Doong have preserved these magnificent beasts for us to marvel at today. They are windows into a world we are only just beginning to understand. Imagine these creatures as they were in life. Serpentosuchus, nearly 15 meters long, used its powerful tail to propel itself with speed and agility. Its slender, flexible body navigated reefs and seafloor vegetation, while its crocodile-like head and needle-sharp teeth made it a deadly ambush predator. Gigantopterus, more robust and about 8 meters long, had enormous wing-like fins for gliding through open water, much like a manta ray. Its wide mouth suggests it was a filter feeder, swallowing huge volumes of water to sieve out plankton and small crustaceans. Serpentosuchus likely lurked near the seabed, camouflaged and patient while Gigantopterus cruised the sunlit layers, migrating in search of food. Their lives were intertwined, one a swift hunter, the other a peaceful giant. Their existence demonstrates the diversity of evolutionary paths in the Carboniferous Sea. One path led to speed and stealth, the other to immense size and gentle feeding. Both were successful, and both have now emerged from the rock to tell us their stories. Seeing these two together paints a vivid picture of a dynamic, dangerous ecosystem. Life in the ancient sea found many solutions to survival. Now, after millions of years, these titans return to inspire us. How did these sea creatures end up fossilized inside a mountain cave far from any ocean? The answer lies in plate tectonics. 325 million years ago, this land was the floor of a shallow tropical sea, the Paleotethys. When Serpentissuchus and Gigantopterus died, their bodies sank to the seabed and were buried by sediment. Over millions of years, the sediment compressed into limestone, preserving their skeletons. The Earth's plates shifted, and the ancient seabed collided with another plate, buckling and rising to form the Annamite Mountains. The sea monsters, encased in limestone, rose with the mountains. Rainwater, slightly acidic, slowly dissolved the limestone, carving out the vast chambers of Hang Son Doong. Underground rivers washed away rock, creating the immense cave. As the cave grew, it exposed the fossil layer. The sea monsters, once at the ocean's bottom, ended up high on a cavern wall. Their journey from sea to stone to mountain is a testament to Earth's restless power. The story of their preservation is as remarkable as the creatures themselves. In Hang Son Doong, geology and biology meet in a spectacular display. The discovery of Serpentissuchus and Gigantopterus is monumental for science. Two new prehistoric species from the Carboniferous open new branches on the tree of life. Their unique anatomies reveal evolutionary experiments. Serpentissuchus as a possible transitional form, Gigantopterus as an ancient filter feeder. These fossils help us write a more complete history of life on Earth. By studying their bones and the rock around them, we learn about the ancient Paleotethys ocean, its temperature, chemistry, and ecosystem. The presence of two large predators suggests a healthy, productive, ancient sea. This find challenges where we look for fossils. No one expected world-class marine fossils inside a cave. It opens new possibilities for discovery in other limestone caves. Hang Son Doong encourages scientists to think differently and explore the unknown. The story of these sea monsters is just beginning. Studying fossils embedded in a cave wall for over 300 million years is a challenge. Scientists use laser scanners and photogrammetry to create detailed 3D models without removing the bones. These digital models allow researchers worldwide to study the fossils in detail. Portable CT scanners reveal the internal structure of the bones, showing growth rings and bone density. Gigantopterus's lightweight bones confirm its life as a cruising swimmer. Serpentissuchus's dense bones point to a powerful predator. Scientists hope to recover ancient proteins like collagen from deep within the fossils. If found, these proteins could reveal evolutionary relationships with unprecedented accuracy. This biochemical data, combined with anatomy, brings these creatures to life in new ways. The technology used here is revolutionizing paleontology. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding these ancient titans. The discovery of these sea monsters has transformed Hang Son Doong into a paleontological treasure chest. The cave system is vast, with many passages still unexplored. Scientists believe the fossil-rich limestone extends for kilometers, hinting at more skeletons waiting in the darkness. Future expeditions will combine exploration and paleontology, using advanced scanning technology to search for more fossils. Every new passage could reveal another creature from the Carboniferous Sea. The challenge of studying and possibly extracting these fossils is immense. For now, the focus is on in situ study, learning as much as possible from the fossils where they lie. As technology improves, we may one day bring a piece of this lost world to the surface. Hang Son Doong reminds us how much of our planet remains a mystery. Each discovery sparks new questions and a new era of curiosity. The emergence of Serpentissuchus and Gigantopterus connects us to a world almost beyond imagination. Their discovery enriches our understanding of life's extraordinary story. These fossils are symbols of life's resilience and Earth's dynamic nature. They show how geology can transform an ocean floor into a mountain peak, a living creature into stone. This discovery inspires wonder and humility, reminding us of the immense timescales shaping our world. The story of Hang Sun Dung's sea monsters is one of hope and inspiration. It reveals that mystery still surrounds us, encouraging new generations to explore and question. The Earth has not given up all its secrets. There are other lost worlds waiting to be found. The two titans rest in their cavern tomb, but Hang Sun Dung continues to guard its mysteries. As we study their bones, we're reminded that our planet is a place of endless surprises. The story of life is written in the rocks, waiting to be read. The whispers from the stone have become a clear voice speaking across the ages. They tell us of wonders past and wonders yet to be found.